हांव एडवोकेट सियोला वाज. आतां आमी पोंडा पुलीस स्टेशना भायर आसा आनी एक नवीन कंप्लेन आमी घातला टू पोंडा पुलीस स्टेशन एंड इट इज ऑन द सेम थिंग. इट इज अगेन्स्ट वेलिंगकर एंड द फ्लॅमेटरी स्टेटमेंट्स मेड बाय वेलिंगकर. पूण जे बिचोलीन एक FIR जाल्ली आसा, बिचोली पुलीस स्टेशनान एक FIR दर्ज केल्ली आसा, तो FIR मातसो वेगळो आसा एंड इट इज अ व्हेरी इनकम्प्लीट FIR कित्याक थंय फक्त एकूच सेक्शन आसा, सेक्शन 299 ऑफ BNS विच इज हर्टिंग रिलिजियस सेटलमेंट्स. तो FIR म्हणून तेणें दर्ज केला. बट एक्चुअली मोर हॅज हॅपन्ड. इट इज नॉट ओनली रिलिजियस सेटलमेंट्स पूण ऑल्सो इट इज एन ऑफेन्स अगेन्स्ट पब्लीक ट्रँक्युलिटी. म्हणून आमी न्यू सेक्शन्स घातला ह्या आमच्या कंप्लेंटान आनी आमकां जाय की जे FIR आसा ह्या सेक्शन्सा वयर आतां दर्ज करपाक जाय. ऑल सेक्शन्स आर कॉग्नायजेबल, नॉन बेलेबल. ऑल सेक्शन्स आर हॅविंग इम्प्रिजनमेंट ऑफ 1 to 2 years. So one of the sections is section 192 BNS. This section is to do with whoever malignantly or wantonly by doing anything which is illegal gives provocation to any person intending or knowing it likely that such provocation will cause offense of rioting to be committed. So here what has happened is when it is actually something to incite the people to create violence and to create rioting type of situation. Kidak what he has done, ताणें कंपेर केलो आहा कॅथलीक रिलीजन आनी हिंदू रिलीजन. ताणें फक्त कॅथलिकाचेर अशें नेगेटीव उलयलो ना, ताणें कंपेरिजन केला की एक वयर आसा एक सकल आसा अशें कंपेरिजन करून ही हॅज इन्सायटेड द पीपल टू क्रिएट फॉर दॅट टू बी वायलन्स. कित्याक आतां कितें जातलें आनी जालां आयज सकाळी 6th of October म्हापश्यान कोण लोकांनी अशें करून दे आर कॉलिंग देमसेल्स सम हिंदू आउटफिट बट मे बी दे आर समबडी एल्स. पूण ती एकठांय जालो आहाय आनी दे हॅव ऑल्सो स्पोकन अगेन्स्ट सेंट फ्रांसीस झेवियर. सो वॉट इज हॅपनिंग इज कित्याक आमी अपसेट आहाय मागीर ते आनी कोण आनी जायत अपसेट जाताय एंड अ फ्रिक्शन इज क्रिएटेड बिटवीन द टू factions, between the two religions. So writing type of situation is imminent on Goa right now. Then section 196, whoever by words either spoken or written, BNS, whoever by words spoken or written or by signs visible representation through electronic communication or otherwise promotes attempts on grounds of religion, race, birth, caste, language, feelings of enmity or ill will between different religious groups. Then prejudicial to the maintenance of harmony between different religious groups shall be punished and disturbs and likely to disturb public tranquility. Now this is section 196(1), not subsection 2, subsection 1 only. Include कितें आसा public tranquility चे that angle is there आणि we have seen that public tranquility is disrupted in Goa. काल आमी पळयल्ले मडगांवान रास्ता रोको जाल्ले आनी बॅरिकेड्स आशिल्ले. then there were logs of wood kept and people were not allowed to pass. भुरग्यांकूय मातसो त्रास जाल्लो. So there is a tranquility issue also. That is why 196(1). Then 197(1). Whoever by words either spoken or written makes or publishes any assertion, counsel, plea or appeal concerning the obligation of any class of persons including religious, then and such plea, appeal or assertion causes disharmony and feelings of ill will, hatred, blah. So ह्याचा अर्थ कितें, जेन्ना कोणी एक अपील करता आमकां अशें जाय, आमकां तशें जाय, आमकां हें जाय तें जाय, अपील, assertion, तेन्ना and if that assertion is creating negative religious vibe, then this section is to be applied. आता वेलिंगकरान कितें म्हणलां that the relics of Saint Francis Xavier have to be sent back, or that the relics of Saint Francis Xavier have DNA test has to be done. So he is making an appeal. He has made an appeal on camera and तो म्हणटा की आपण गव्हर्नमेंटानूय अपील घातलो घालतलो म्हणून. So that is why this section 197 already appeal is made to the people at large. So that is why 197 has to be there. Only subsection 1, not subsection 2. Section 299 same जे religious sentiments आचे जे बिचोलीनूय केल्ले आसा, that is there only. 299 and 302 finally. 302 section we have also asked for. Whoever with deliberate intention of wounding religious feelings of any person utters any words, makes any sound and hearing of that gesture, sound, sight, etc. or objects, if he does those kind of things, and then there is imprisonment of up to 1 year. Now 302 applies because last also he has done the same thing, pricked the same point. And the potpotun kota. So this one is the intention of wounding religious feelings. So one is that religious sentiments are good, but this is intention of wounding. So he knows that it is going to happen and he is still doing it purposely, provoking. So was or 302, it is also added now. So these are the sections which we have added, which are 192, provoking writing, 196, 197, which I have just now explained, 299, outraging religious feelings, and 302, words and gesture that wound religious feelings. So hence these are the new sections. आमकां अशेंच जाय आनी आमकां कळ्ळें आहा की there is a cascading situation because it is not ended right now. And arrest we are asking कित्याक आमी म्हणटात की 41A जे आमचे पयले CRPC आशिल्ले, they can still do that same process. आमी अशें म्हणना की ताका वचून without warrant arrest करात. Get the warrant, it is very much possible within 48 hours अशी आमची मागणी आसा.
सो तुम्ही आता एक कंप्लेन दिली आणि तुमकां PIन कितें सांगलें पुणेचे?
आमकां PIन सांगला की होते वरान तो सुपिरियराक उलयतलो आनी ही विल गिव अस एन आन्सर. बट अशें अश्योर केला, ही हॅज सेड दॅट ही बिलिव्स, ताका अशें दिसता की ऑफेन्स घडला म्हूण आनी आमचे सगळे विक्टम्स जे आसा पोंडेंत आसा म्हणून ऑफेन्स पोंडेंत घडला, ज्युरिस्डिक्शन पोंडे कडेन आसा. सो ही इज कन्विन्स्ड, आपूण कन्विन्स आसा की ऑफेन्स जाला आनी पोंड्यान जाला, बट ही जस्ट वॉन्ट्स टू व्हेरीफाय विथ हिज सुपिरियर्स एंड ही इज गोइंग टू कम बॅक विदिन हाफ एन आवर फॉर अस.
ओके, जेन्ना PI तुमकां सांगतलो तेन्ना मागीर तुमी हांगासरल्यान वतले काय?
ना, आमी वचनात, आमी हांगाच रावतात. वी आर वेटिंग फॉर PI's assurance, not assurance, we are waiting for the FIR to be registered. We are right here.
थँक्यू.